To fix the Messenger didn't open an unexpected error occurred issue. Start by restarting your device, as this often resolves the problem. If the issue persists, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Messenger from opening. Next, update the Messenger app to the latest version, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues and errors. To do this, go to the App Store on your device, search for Messenger, and click the Update button if available. Clearing the app cache can also help resolve the issue. To clear the cache, go to your device settings, click on Storage, and select the Messenger app. From there, click the Clear Cache button to remove any stored data that may be causing the error. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger app. This will remove any corrupted files and allow you to start with a fresh installation. To do this, go to the App Store on your device, search for Messenger, and click the Uninstall button. Then, click the Install button to reinstall the app. Additionally, check for any conflicts with other apps by closing all other apps and trying to open Messenger again. If Messenger opens after closing other apps, it may indicate a conflict with another app. It is also important to check the Messenger server status to ensure it is not down or experiencing technical difficulties. You can do this by visiting the official Facebook or Messenger website and looking for any announcements or updates regarding server issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Messenger didn't open an unexpected error occurred issue and get back to using the app. Remember to always keep your app and device updated to prevent future errors and issues.